Sometimes making breakfast can be a little bit tricky, especially because of time. So today I'll be showing you how to make some delicious, flavorful passion crepes, which are perfect for breakfast, brunch, meal prepping, or even surprising your guests. Top up with your favorite sauces and serve while still warm. To make this easy and simple crepe batter, you're going to need a few ingredients like all-purpose flour, sugar, milk, cooking oil, eggs, salt, and the key ingredient, which is passion flavor, which is going to make the crepes turn out amazing and flavorful. So into your mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in your dry ingredients, and I'll start off with 1 cup of flour, adding half a cup of sugar, which is going to sweeten the crepes. Add in some salt to balance the sweetness. Use my whisk and whisk up the dry ingredients until fully combined. Next, you're going to be adding in your wet ingredients. So you're going to crack in 2 eggs, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, add in 2 cups and a quarter of milk, then you're going to add in a teaspoon of passion essence, which is going to add in so much flavor. While scooping out your flour, make sure to use a spoon to scoop out the flour into your measuring cup, because you don't want too much flour in this recipe, because you're going to make dense crepes and they should be very light. So once I'm done, I'm going to pick a pan. That is a non-stick pan, which is going to make it very easy for you to cook your crepes. Place over medium-low flame. Once done, you're going to be using a third cup to scoop out your butter into the hot pan. And using a non-stick is going to make it very easy for you to flip the crepes, because they are very light. You're going to tilt your pan to evenly distribute the butter. Then you're going to cook for around 10 to 20 seconds. Once you notice that the edges are browning, you're going to use your spatula, run it under the crepe, lift it up, flip, and cook for another 10 to 20 seconds. Immediately the butter hits the pan, let me tell you, the kitchen is going to be smelling incredible because of the passion flavor that we have added. So you're going to add in, let me pick a brush. I'm going to add in a little bit of cooking oil, which is going to make very awesome spots. I have to say, passion flavor is next to vanilla essence, because yeah, the aroma is so good. Once ready, you're going to flip, and this is how it's going to be looking. So you're going to transfer to a plate and add in your next round. You're going to repeat until you're done with the rest of the batter, and that is going to take around 10 minutes at most. You can double or even triple the ingredients to make some more delicious crepes, because they're going to be gone in a matter of minutes. Also, you can choose not to add in some more cooking oil, but I find that adds a very nice spots on the crepes and also makes the edges super crispy. Watch out as the crepes are cooking, because in a matter of seconds the crepe is going to be cooked. Stacking the crepes after cooking is a very nice way to keep them warm. So mine are still warm, and this is after around 2 minutes. So I'm going to be showing you a serving suggestion that is going to turn out so awesome. You're going to pick a crepe, flip it, fold the sides just like this. Then you're going to spread some chocolate spread on one end, just like that. Carefully, you're going to fold it over into a roll. Transfer to your presentation plate. And because the crepes are still hot, the chocolate spread is going to melt and infuse together with the crepe. Woo! I'm so excited. Top up with some fresh passion fruits. Don't worry if you don't have some chocolate spread. You can add in some jam or peanut butter, and your crepes are still going to turn out delicious. You can serve the crepes over some coffee, juice, or tea, and each bite is going to be amazing.